Hey y'all, so we're going to jump right in. The unit I'll be rocking today is from HerGivenHair. This is the packaging, all the goodies that come with it, a dust bag to put your wig in. Now this is their 3-in-1 half wig. It's in a kinky 4B 4C texture. As you guys can see, it is a half wig. It is ombre and it's 18 inches. Super cute. I went ahead and wet it down and then applied some mousse. Hey y'all, so as y'all saw from the other clips, I'm going to be installing the HerGivenHair 3-in-1 half wig. Today, I'm really excited to go ahead and install it. I will be installing it over my locks. If you guys do not know, I do have micro locks, and I'm going to be installing them over my micro locks. Now, my micro locks are already twisted down because I need a retie really, really bad. So I'm not going to be like showing y'all all of my micro locks, but I do have some twists in the front that I'll probably like untwist just so I can like get the unit on my head, but we'll get to that. As y'all know, I got the texture Kinky 4B 4C. It is in 18 inches. It is like an ombre color. Let me just go ahead and pull the wig so y'all can see. And I really think it's really, really pretty. And y'all know, as y'all know, I've worked with HerGivenHair a lot of times over the years. This is something new that they just brought to the table. So for those of you that are loose naturals, those of you that have locks, this is going to be great for you to go ahead and try out and work with. So this is the beautiful color. And what I like about this unit is it has a lot of texture. So it's going to look really, really nice with mimicking my locks. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig cap towards the back of my head so I can then go ahead and install the unit. I would show y'all my hair, but HerGivenHair, I know how y'all like to do, and y'all like to show people with their hair looking crazy. No, but yeah, I would show y'all the back. My hair looks too crazy to be showing y'all the back of my hair right now, so y'all will only be seeing the front today because your girl needs a retie. So now that I have the cap on the back like this, I think it's inside out, but it really doesn't matter. Probably gonna leave these twists in on the sides because I really don't need those out either, honestly. Unit does have like combs throughout the unit, and it does have a drawstring, so you're able to wear this unit as a ponytail. I'm not gonna be able to do that today because my locks are still new and I don't want to put that much weight on them. But as they age, I definitely will be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on. So it does have combs, but I'm not going to use the combs because I don't want to dig the combs into my locks because they're still really new. So I'm just going to literally put the unit on, position it how I want, and don't mind it because I'm going to shape it with some water. But I'm going to take the drawstring that's in the back and pull it so that it stays in place. It's really secure, so now I don't have to worry about like the combs or anything or it slipping off. That's what I love about this. So y'all see it's on, like it's not going anywhere, like anywhere. Guys, so now that the wig is on, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel my locks in the front. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some water to them. That way I can blend them in a lot better because they were in some twists. And as y'all can see, my locks are grown out at the roots. So I feel like that's gonna help me be able to blend my hair a lot better, and it worked really good, you guys. I'm really surprised. I'm taking some edge control and I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop around my edges just to give a more realistic look. And that's what I love about this half wig, is because you can have your real hairline out and it just looks super natural. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit water on the wig just to shape it and get it to how I want it to be. I didn't cut this unit or anything. This is the 18 inches. As you guys can see, it's super full, and this is just what it looks like at the hairline with my locks. It looks super natural. You don't even know that I have locks. It just looks like textured hair blended in, and it just looks really good. I didn't do a part or anything, and I really like the no part look. But y'all already know I had to test my half of half down. I had to see if I could still do it with the locks and a half wig. And honey, yeah, I'm gathering it together and y'all gonna see it come together and it looks so good. This unit is so easy to style, you guys. Like, this is the best half wig. And then I decided to go ahead and apply a scrunchie. And I'm gonna do like a little bun situation, but I'm just like reshaping the hair with some water. I'm just going to go ahead and fluff out the bun. This is what the hairline is looking like. It looks really nice. And then I decided to go ahead and do another style, which I just tucked my hair completely in the wig cap. I'm I'm applying a band just to kind of like cover up, you know, the hairline of the wig. And then I'm just going to go ahead and gather all of the hair and put it into a ponytail. And I really love this because on days when I want to be a loose natural, I can be a loose natural again, even though I got locks. It's very universal and it was so easy to style. So, okay, you guys, as you guys can see, I was able to go ahead and style this unit 3 ways, even though I have locks, which I really love because it gives me that versatility. That way, whenever I just want to like go back to having loose natural hair, I can, because of HerGivenHair, and I love that for me. Like, y'all don't even know I have locks now. Like, it just looks like I have a full puff and don't nobody know that I got locks, and I love that for me. It's super cute, really easy to style. I love the built-in drawstring. That's probably like one of my favorite features because I don't like combs. So if you're one of those people that don't like combs, you don't have to use the combs. You could just use the drawstring, and I'm telling y'all, I'm moving my head around like that because it's so secure on my head. And I believe this is 170 grams or whatever, so it's super thick, super full. Y'all know HerGivenHair don't skimp out on the hair. They do their big one every single time. But I really like this unit. Definitely gonna be one of my go-tos because I can do my half up, half down, and y'all know how much I love my half up, half down. Like, the hair quality, of course, is still amazing. The coloring on the unit is beautiful. They always do their big one, and I love the fact that they can color their hair without damaging the hair and it doesn't lose its pattern. But this unit is so pretty, so versatile. I haven't seen myself with this type of hairstyle in a minute because y'all know I have my locks. So I've been like trying to learn those. But it's still nice that I'm able to go back to my roots and do like styles like these, which I love. So this is going to be perfect for y'all. Even if you are loose natural and you can still slick your hair up and do a drawstring ponytail, or even if you just have locks, you could put this on the back of your locks. That's probably going to take a little bit of time for me to get to that point. But once I'm there, I'm definitely going to be using this to, you know, do styles with my locks and things like that. But I definitely love this unit. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Shout out to HerGivenHair. They did a big one again. Everything about this unit will be in the description box below. So make sure y'all check out the 3-in-1 unit. And it does come in different textures. Everything will be in the description box. So make sure y'all check the description box for the link to the wig and the website because they have a lot to offer. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.